Now you might wonder, where did this information come from, and why did we select this particular information? So we just thought that this was what we're covering in this class was what everybody needs to know. So anybody that says they're a certified culinary professional, we wanted to be sure that everybody has all of the basic written type of knowledge. And this comes from the cookbook that's part of the class, which is called On Cooking Light. What I did with that was took about a 1,400 page book and made it into a 650 page book, I think it is. Took out all the recipes because most of our students they have recipes with their company, and took out history. If you want to know who Escoffier is, you can Google it, type of thing. So got it down to a more manageable size book, we thought. So, and these what we're covering on the slideshow is where the Certified Culinary Professional test comes from. So let's go with lecture 2. The meat marinade is the liquid used to add flavor to foods. Generally contains herbs, spices, and other flavoring ingredients, as well as an acidic product such as wine, vinegar, or lemon juice. And it assists in breaking down the connective tissue, thus tenderizing the meat. Foie gras is the fattened liver of a duck or a goose. It's considered a delicacy since Roman times. Produced by methodically fattening the bird by force feeding them specifically prepared corn while limiting their activity, thus making them big and fat in a hurry. Goose foie gras is lighter in color and more delicate in flavor than that of duck. And duck foie gras is deeper, winey flavor, more frequently used than goose foie gras. Duchess potatoes are a classic dish made from mashed or pureed potatoes blended with eggs and seasoning. Yummy, my favorite. Vichyssoise is another name for a chilled potato and leek soup. Minestrone soup is a rich Italian-style vegetable soup. Nouvelle cuisine is a type of cuisine that's based on natural flavors. Has shorter cooking time and allows for innovative combinations. Nouvelle cuisine. Some cutting techniques. Slicing is a technique used to cut an item into relatively broad, thin pieces. Chopping is a technique used when uniformity of size and shape don't matter.
Julienne is a stick-shaped item with dimensions of 1/8 inch by 1/8 inch by 2 inches. Cut the carrot to desired length and square off all sides. Cut the carrot into 1/8 inch slices and stack the slices and cut them evenly into 1/8 inch sticks. Brunoise is a cube-shaped cut with the dimensions of 1/8 inch thick by 1/8 inch by 1/8 inch and is created by taking your julienne sticks and making a 1/8 inch cut perpendicular to the length of the julienne to produce brunoise.
Mise en place is a concept that's simple. A chef should have at hand everything he or she needs to prepare and serve food in an organized and efficient manner, and doing that is called mise en place. Proper mise en place requires the chef to consider work patterns, ingredient lists, and tool and equipment needs so you get everything you need when you start your recipe, so you're not running back and forth to the store and the refrigerator, etc. The chef's standard mirepoix contains all of the following vegetables except what? That would be potatoes. It does include celery, onions, and carrots, but not potatoes. A salamander is a gas or electric grill broiler used to top brown foods or finish off dishes. Conventional versus convection ovens. Of the two types, a convection oven distributes the heat more rapidly throughout its interior. Always remember to decrease the baking temperature by 25 degrees Fahrenheit when using a convection oven. Steam jacketed kettle has the ability to heat the contents from both the bottom and the sides. Provides quicker, more uniform, and more controllable heat than pots on the range. Capacity can be as much as 400 gallons. Tilting skillets, great for making soups and stocks, along with sauteing, pan frying. It's great for using as a steam table. In my experience, it's a great place to store recipe cards. I've seen more of them used for that than I've seen them actually cooking. It's sort of a pain to clean, unless you got large volume. Mandolin is not only a musical instrument, but also a manually operated slicer made of stainless steel with adjustable slicing blades.
To use a mandolin, first position the legs firmly on the table. Next, using the lever on the side of the mandolin, set the blade to determine the desired shape, either julienne or bâtonnet. Next, using the lever on the back of the mandolin, set the blade for the desired thickness. Next, slide the guard in place. To slice, slide the item against the blade with a single smooth stroke. To cut gaufrettes, select a rigid blade and set it to the desired thickness using the lever on the back of the mandolin. Make the first slice and turn the item 90 degrees and make a second slice. Turn the item back to the original position and make another slice, and so on.
Food cutter is a device with attachments that can be used to grind, chop, dice, shred, or slice food. Metals are generally good conductors, with copper being the best conductor of heat. Liquids and gases are poor conductors of heat.